Welcome Inner Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is 5 ways to keep your life simple. Here we go. In her book Path Made Clear, Oprah Winfrey has mentioned about a short story, and this story is about a young man dying and his mother sat beside him, and as he was dying the last words that he uttered were, "Mom, it was all so simple. It was all so simple." And thereafter he died. So we are still breathing, and there is so much to learn from this story. We must keep our lives simple. So what are the ways in which we can keep our life simple? The first way you can keep your life simple is to accept yourself as who you are. Accept the fact that wherever you are is the right, perfect place where you should be. This is the right place from where you can start doing anything and everything right now. All that you have is now, and this now is going to work on from where you are. So there are no changes to be made at all. Only thing is change in your thoughts, the way you perceive your life situation in the present moment. Wherever we are, we just want to be away from there. Wherever we are standing, our mind and body are never at the same place. Your body is here, your mind is somewhere else. You are always striving for something. Be it career, be it money, but we are never satisfied where we are. So what we have to practice is being satisfied where we are, accepting where we are, loving where we are, letting go of all complaints that we have in our mind. Letting go, striving too much. Don't try to do too much, because whatever you may be doing right now, it is not your doing. A higher power is actually in charge of that flow of inspiration, that flow of energy. Where is it coming from? There is this flow of inspiration and energy from the higher source. So you are just the medium. Who is doing it? The higher source is doing it. So you are not doing. You are being done. When you run after something, it runs away from you. But when you are satisfied where you are, it comes to you because you allow the flow. When you run after something, what is happening is you have this future in mind. You are striving too much, trying to do too much, trying to think too much, and you are offering resistance at every step. But when you accept everything, when you are in gratitude for everything right now, as you are, as is, where is, basis, now you are allowing the flow of your desires, the flow of abundance. So whatever you are seeking was actually seeking you, and it comes to you easily. Everything was downstream, and we were trying to achieve, and this achievement, there is no end to it. Right till the end, you'll find yourself striving, tired of it. And still, you'll be still in the journey. You have never reached the destination. The best way to any kind of manifestation is to let go and just be. And then you will see how things come. Because when you let go, now you are a thoughtless person. You are not striving at all. You are so perfectly aligned with the present moment, with whatever you are doing, whatever is there in your hands right now. You are engaged in doing that. Now you do it selflessly. You are absolutely motivated. You are concentrating in doing it. You love to do it. You are doing it selflessly. The work in itself becomes the reward. You are not striving for anything. You are just enjoying doing something in the best possible way. That's it. And now everything comes to you. All kinds of abundance, peace. That is the best thing. Who defines success? Success is when you are happy and in peace, because when you are happy and peaceful, all kinds of abundance will come to you. You are actually opening the doors in your life for its flow. Everything is in vibrational nature, and even finances, money, everything is energy. You allow the flow of that energy into your life. So what is needed is not hard work, not striving, doing too much, but be satisfied where you are and do inspired work from there. Now you allow everything to come to you. So isn't this being unmotivated, not trying to do anything, not trying to think about how you want to live your life? No, you have your dreams and desires, but you just ask the universe once and let them go, and now it will come to you. And from where you are, you try to do the best of whatever resources are available to you, but you are never worried. You are never trying to do too much. You are not striving. You feel like you have already arrived. The journey is so beautiful. You are enjoying the journey, and this is the way to manifestation. The second way to keep your life simple is, if it is not about now, don't think. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible, because you are the master of your own thoughts, and that is how you create your life. Your thoughts are the building blocks of your life. Why should you delve into the past or into the future? You are being taken care of. Dr. Wayne Dyer said in one of his discourses that when you were being born, your fingers were being made, everything was being done, and you never asked for anything. Everything was happening on its own. You were even gifted with special talents. You never asked for these talents. And as you arrived into this world, now your ego took over, and then you say, okay, from now onwards, let me take over my life. Let me do everything. But there is this higher source, the infinite intelligence, and you can never do the better of this kind of intelligence. So why not align with this intelligence? Why not practice more belief and faith in this intelligence? Because whenever you think about your future and you worry about your past incidents, experiences, everything, more of negative energy is brought into this present moment. Also, you align with the mass mind. Most people are doing this, and you are also doing that. You align with the mass mind, the mass conditioning. Oh, this life is like this, so much of worry, lot of negativity around. You also start focusing on what is not good around you. But whenever you are happy, whenever you are hopeful, full of inspirations, what happens is, that is the time when you are aligned with your inner being. The third way to keep your life simple is to make use of your superpowers that lie latent within you. Make use of telepathy, make use of intuition, imagination, visualization, positive self-affirmation. Think about your desires before you go off to sleep, and that is how you create your future. You have to keep believing, you have to keep faith, and don't tell about your desires to anyone. Because if you go and tell your desires to a small mind, that is the end of your desires, because they are conditioned to believe in the impossibility of your desires coming true. And then what will happen? That is the end of it. You will also believe the same thing. So instead of aligning with your intuitive mind, you have aligned with outside conditionings. Whatever the mass mind believes, whatever most people believe. Meditate more, sit in silence. These are the powers you already wield. What happens when you meditate? The 5 elements in your body, they get balanced. The 5 elements in your body, water, air, all these elements, they all get balanced. The 7 chakras in your body, they get balanced. There is good flow of life energy, chi, through all your chakras. You enjoy well-being, you enjoy better health, lot of positive energy. Then your breath is relaxed because you are doing those breathing exercises. You connect with the source. You are so relaxed and calm. Now whatever you do, you will do from a peaceful state of mind. And even now, without any biases, without any thoughts being formed in your mind, without any chatter of mind, now when you walk out into this world, even if there is lot of negativity or confusion, you are still aligned with your spirit. And now you see solutions, you see more of opportunities because you are anchored with your inner being. There is more of awareness. You are not perturbed. You are more solution oriented. You don't like to change others. You're just not concerned about changing others. You concentrate on how you are reacting or responding to any situation. What is your response in any situation? How can you help others? How can you selflessly reach out to others? This is what you find the purpose of your life. And you know that happiness lies in reaching out to others, helping others. And as you make others happy, you are happy yourself. And you must be kind to yourself because when you are happy, that is what you can give out to others. So it is both ways, give and take. Give to others, give to yourself also. Don't forget about yourself. Now whenever you meet people, you don't judge them. Neither do you want to explain yourself to them. You are much clear about what your desire is in this life, what is your purpose in life. And this clarity gives you a lot of confidence and belief that everything you desire must come to you. The fourth way to keep your life simple is to do your own thing. When you sit in silence, you'll be inspired. You'll connect with your inner core and some ideas will surely come to you. Follow those ideas. Don't talk about those ideas with anybody else. They will not understand what you know. Only you know that. Just start working on those ideas. So this gives you a lot of freedom. Freedom of creativity and freedom of mind also. Because what happens when you are working for others? You are actually going every day working to make the other person's dreams come true. And what is happening to your own dreams? You have buried them somewhere inside. And every time you think about them, it just doesn't make you feel good. Somewhere you feel like you have just not made use of those latent talents that lie within. Make use of those talents because that is what is going to bring you abundance in life and lot of satisfaction and joy. When you are inspired, you always feel young. You are full of energy. You are so satisfied. You feel appreciative about this world. You love this world. It is like life is an opportunity. You have been given this opportunity, this time in this world to, make your purpose come true, to reach out to other people through your purpose. So you are enriching your own life and enriching the life of others, sharing your own joy with others. Just the best way to live your life. It gives you so much of creative freedom and abundance. And as you see success in whatever you are doing, you can take it as full-time thing. In the workplace, if you are good, some people get jealous. Some people try to stop you because then they are insecure. But when you are doing your own thing, there are no limits. Everything you are doing is to enrich your own life and enrich your own purpose in life. And as you enrich your own life, you are enriching the lives of all others around you because they will benefit too. In terms of joy, in terms of material benefits as well. The fifth way to keep your life simple is always remember that everything is happening for a purpose. So just keep in mind that there is a purpose even to the negative instances, circumstances in your life. Find out that ray of hope that you see. Focus on the light instead of darkness, and the darkness will be shooed away on its own. Don't try to dispel darkness. Focus on light, and darkness will be gone. Focus on hope. Focus on what is good, still good, in that confusion, in that difficulty. What is that one good thing happening in your life? So what will happen is you will change your circumstances. Always remember that God is providing for that small ant also. That small ant is getting its food every day. That is how it is living. So how is it possible that the Creator will forget about you? So even during dark times, remember, hold on to the higher source. The higher source is always there for you. Have faith. Just faith, as small as a mustard seed, will do it all for you. So let go your worries, let go your anxieties, and let in God, because this higher source is all you need in your life to be peaceful, to be joyful. And also remember that you don't have to strive. Everything is downstream. So you have already arrived. It is all there for you. As you are sitting now, what is the best next thing you can do from where you are? Only this is what you have to do. So simple. This is how you keep your life simple. Now there are no worries, no planning, because everything that you desire should be in your life will come to you when you are joyful, satisfied, relaxed and happy. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. My message for you as always is I love you. I wish love and blessings for you. I wish abundance, good health, peace, lot of love in your life. Thank you so much for being here with me. Namaste.